Yo, it's Destructo, coming at you guys raw. Hey, I know I promised it last night, but man, I couldn't get the cut test out of my head. I had to get it done. Hey, SOG cut test is out of here. Not with spectacular results. Destructo called the edge failure. Yeah, on plastic, no doubt. But let's take a look at something that you're going to have. It's a spoiler right now. Hey, it's going to be very hard for you to get a real negative on this review. I give you the negative up front, if you can call it that. It's this. The inexpensive pouch SOG provides you. It's got a plastic clip. It's actually pretty easy to take on and off. I haven't lost it off my belt yet, unintentionally, from the clip. But you know, that could be an issue because it's a pinky. No tricks, no nothing. I'm putting that on there pretty well. I shouldn't be able to pop that open with a pinky. Why? Because I have dropped my multi-tool out of my pouch, trying to get in and out of cars, door jams, stuff like that. It catches on seat belts. It's a kind of a nuisance because once that thing pops a little, it's good for nothing. You can open it up really easy. I have, getting in and out of my car, dropped this thing out of the pouch, freaking slammed my rocker panel, put a big chip in my paint. But other than that, that's about as lowly of a negative as you can get. Alright, man. I know I'm grasping at straws, but this multi-tool is freaking awesome. If you guys think a Leatherman Squirt is a multi-tool, you're going to be probably unhappy with the weight. This thing is a real tool. Let's close it up and give you some specs. You know, as far as you know, close. This is when it's closed, it's just under, or excuse me, just over. Yeah, just over 4.5 inches open. So this is just over 4.5 inches open. Maybe this way. Yeah. Okay. Open. It's just over 7 inches. Close it back up for now. Number one thing I really like, well, I say number two. The second coolest thing on this knife that I like is the ability to access your blades from the outside, from the closed position. Okay. It's got independent locking and unlocking mechanisms that also have a redundant locking system, so you can go ahead and engage and not open this up, disengage, flip it right open. Why is that cool? Because now I can go ahead and re-engage the redundant lock, and then I have a technically I have a, for all intent and purposes, a fixed blade. That's great for heavy cutting tasks, utilitarian work, because for me, when I grip this around, squeeze, well, my finger is right on top of the lock. So let's go ahead and disengage, and I'll show you what I mean. when my finger's on the lock and I'm doing some heavy cutting tasks and I get reverse action on the blade, whoop, I can get it to close, right? Hey, public service announcement. Kids, it's not cool to shut a blade on your trigger finger. Courtesy of Destructo. But we got our straight edge. Hair popping sharp from the factory. And we got our serrated edge. Close up the straight edge for you guys. Good serrations. Provide excellent cutting of cordage. I like it a lot. But let's get to the tool function. But before we do, I show you that. Those are the gears that they provide some compound leverage with, or power assist technology, and they greatly increase your grip strength. People with lesser grip strengths can easily dominate a stronger grip strength with this, say, versus a Leatherman or a Gerber. This technology is awesome. It just is. But let's open it up, start taking a look, get a move on, right? Get it done, Destructo. We got some excellent pliers. And on these needle nose, they shut real tight. We can use these as a tweezer system. I have. They work. It's awesome. Good hard wire cutters in there. Big. There's a lot of videos on a YouTube and even on SOG's website about how guys cutting pennies. YouTube, check it out. A lot of nails being done, stuff like that. I got something that most multi-tools are going to fail. You're going to ruin your multi-tool if you try it. Yeah, I've done it. Matter of fact, I've swore profusely in front of a grave because of it, trying to cut a false stem flower. Hard to do. This did it one-handed. Opening it up, I got mine with the V cutter. The SOG V cutter is something that I wanted. Let's see if I get that for you. I love this thing. If I didn't have it on here, I'd probably just get it on here. Oh, gave a hint to the number one. Let's go ahead and open up and get it done. Now, next up, we got, sorry guys, I gotta get it back in a macro. We got the little flathead with the can opener. We got the larger flathead. There you go. Larger flathead with the, I don't know what the heck that tool is, or that part of the tool's usage. I have no idea. You guys know, let me know, because I can't figure it out. We got almost did it upside down on you. Number one Phillips. Again, no idea what this is. By the way, I checked on the site. They don't tell you, okay guys? If I knew, you'd know. maybe you do know, you need to help me out. I'm here. All you have to do is leave a comment. If you don't want to leave a comment, PM me. I'm easy to find. We got the the medium flathead with the bottle opener. I never used that bottle opener once. I've always got a big lighter in my pocket I pop a cap off with. Sodas for the girls, you know. Got the file. Use this as a pry bar. This file is excellent. I've used this a lot. I'm going to go ahead and lock this open and show you about it. It's got a three-sided file. Excellent. We've got a crisscross. We got our dull edge. We got our single cross, and we have a horizontal cross, perpendicular, whatever you want to call it, tooth on that for an ultra thin file cut. Okay, that's a nice feature. You'll see that. It costs money. But pop the dust cover open, and it has independent locking. See all those open up? I can open and close each one independently. Oop. And go from there. It's got a ruler, metric, and US standard, both sides. Now we got the technical stuff done. Here's the number one. This is the number one reason why I love this multi-tool. Love it. Made in the United States of America. And it's infinitely changeable to the user's discretion. Discretion. I said it. It's got a hex bolt pattern on all the corners. Right? All you have to do is go to SOG. I'm sure you guys can go somewhere else, but go to SOG. Buy the components that you want to put on this. Change it out. You don't have to have some business executive, president, CEO of some company tell you what your functions are going to have to compromise with their multi-tools. You don't have to have some guy or girl make a multi-tool that you have to adapt to your situation. You don't have to pull MacGyvers. You can build a tool for your daily routine that fits it perfectly. Now, that, I don't know if it's an authority complex or whatever, but that makes me, maybe a control type thing, I don't know. But that makes me extremely, extremely pleased with this. I got it built the way I wanted it. If it didn't come that way, I'd have to compromise. Nope, not at all. You guys can do it. So you guys think a V-cutter's stupid? Get the another option. Go with the I don't know. Go with the EOD version, which has it's set up for the detonations. You know, it has an awl and stuff like that. Go for it. Go to the SOG website, guys. I'll provide a link. But go down and check it out, man. I really appreciate your time. Hope I didn't waste it. And hey, you guys weren't looking for a professional's advice, were you? We're all about opinions, guys. Appreciate your time. Destructo out.